Hello! Welcome to the Threes Apart Studio Vlog number 4. If you notice something a little bit different here, that's because I am Kim, your new host. I'm just kidding. I'm the eldest sister of Threes Apart, and of course Amy and Helen will still be in this vlog doing their stuff. I actually filmed for the last 2 vlogs too, but because of media encoding errors and like sync issues, even though we were using the same settings for some reason, we ended up cutting all of it out. If you watched the last studio vlog, then you know that we put out some new penguin t-shirt designs, and mine have arrived, but I'm not going to open them yet because it's 11 o'clock at night. And yeah, anyway, so I wanted to talk about shipping because it's really affecting everybody this holiday season. So shipping companies are incredibly overloaded right now, especially USPS. It's not surprising considering this year. Even the t-shirts that I got were like 2 days later than what was listed on the website as like its arrival date, and that's Amazon. So far we're grateful that the mail that we've sent out has arrived pretty much on time. I think the latest they've been so far is 3 days late, except for when the post office was first going a little bit crazy. We had one that was almost like 2 weeks late. So I completely related to Andy from @Storied Pages when he was talking to April and Phyllis. I think they're at Penguins Creative and at Miss Ling Bloom on Instagram, on their very, very lovely stationery focused podcast called The Stationery Cafe, which if you love stationery and you want to hear more about stationery, they're like the perfect place to go. They interviewed so many lovely like people, shop owners and journal and planner enthusiasts. It's great. I love it. And he was talking about how he prefers to buy things from local stores where you can just like pop in and like or order from there and pick it up there, because ordering from overseas gave him a lot of shipping anxiety, which is a lovely new term that has just been coined, I guess, by Andy. For a while, especially like right now with overseas shipping delays, I think even Japan stopped shipping for a while, to the US at least. Don't quote me on that. Although I feel like I have shipping anxiety going like the other way, or on the other side, where I'm worried about our orders and whether they've made it safely. And so far we haven't, I know nothing's happened yet, so I guess I'm just a worry wart for nothing. But I'm really grateful when people let us know that their order has arrived to them, like safe and sound, and made it. I like the peace of mind. Hello, happy Tuesday. So yesterday at like 11 o'clock at night, I said I got my t-shirts, but I didn't open them yet until today, and I thought they were super cute. So I wanted to talk a little bit about why we chose Amazon as our print-on-demand service. If you didn't know, Amazon has a program called Amazon Merch where they just print t-shirts. Ideally, we would have everything done in-house for quality control, and especially in terms of like the print quality and packaging experience and stuff like that. But since we don't have the capacity or the money to invest in a million t-shirts, we have to go with something like a print-on-demand service. And we figured if we can't control the quality like ourselves, then at least we need to have a service that has really, really good customer service for our customers. So, Amazon is known to have really good customer service, and they're super duper convenient if nothing else. And it was really important to us that customers were able to get the help they needed. Other print-on-demand services, we would get like a bigger percentage in terms of sales, but we can't really rely on them, and the turnaround time is quite long. So if you do get one of our t-shirts, like please let us know. It's really, really exciting to like know that someone out there wants to put our art on their body and like walk out into the world with it. In terms of quality, I haven't had any problems. Like this shirt I'm wearing right now is the Dancing Penguin t-shirt in sky blue, And it's been washed like 5 or 6 times and there hasn't been any problem. I think the only, I'm being honest here, the only inconsistency I've really seen so far is like how far up and down they put the design on the shirt. Like the Beat Saber Penguin shirt was a little bit lower than I'd like, but then when I saw my friend wear the Driving Penguins shirt, it looked good where it was. So I don't know how they decide where to put the design. In general though, it always seems to be pretty centered and print quality seems to be pretty decent.
What your tips and tricks for Krita?
I mean, yeah, I'm still quite the noob with Krita.
Quite the noob.
And I like undo a lot, which Kim was like, that's bad habit. I was like, I know, but it's really helpful. Plus, like, if you happen to undo something that you did, like, you can just redo it. It's okay. I'm still quite obsessed with layers. I find them quite helpful. I'm still kind of learning the quick buttons on the pen and on the tablet.
What about your brush settings? Because again, I wanted to hopefully if our brush thicknesses are different. Well, I think I set mine to brush basic preset 1, and I changed the size to like 10 point. Do you know how thick yours is?
I usually do 8.43.
Interesting.
I don't know why. Yeah, I also was trying to play around with the full body, half body, like we talked about.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why I just don't do like 9 or 8 or like, an even.
Hey, those decimal spaces are there for a reason, huh? But I know you use like the line for the shape tools.
Yeah, those are quite handy dandy.
I was thinking about using the circle for like the ears and the eyes.
Also, if the perspective is like, if like one side isn't too far away, so it's smaller than the other side, if it's not like that, I would just like maybe make an eye, copy and paste it so it's the exact same shape and everything, and then just merge it back into the layer so you don't have too many layers to work with.
I was wondering if I should, because I wanted to make a template mask, right? Just like outline, and then probably not going to do the string. I think that's going to add like a weird look to it.
Yeah.
Although I wasn't sure if I wanted like all the animals to have the same size of eyes or not.
Animals are different species.
Yeah, so I was like, well, maybe I'll just leave it. Our washi.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Should we put that we both packages? No.
You can say that last time.
Yeah, but we didn't do it.
Yeah, because we were like, it's pointless.
Yes. I just thought it's funny. It's a relay.
What if Kim was here?
Oh! I'm just so excited to use our wash.
I know, right? Yeah, pass it along. There you go. Pass it along. What was it?
Package buy.
Oh. Can you use one of yours?
No.
Oh, okay.
I could, but
Pointless.
I'll just help put yours on. I didn't necessarily. I just kind of gave you things. I could be.
You could be. You really could be.
People still think we're fraternal twins.
Struggling. No.
Right now, I am uploading Studio Vlog number 3. So, but if you're watching this, then it should already be up. This one in particular is taking a while to export and upload. But we just finished orders. I just wanted to get all of that admin stuff and the YouTube video done before I actually start drawing. So then it will distract me while I'm drawing and nag my mind. these are postcards that we put in every order for free as a little thank you. It's our penguin picnic one. On the back there's a little note on there. But we got some new ones in. These are UFO penguins. Penguins are our mascots. I honestly don't know which one I like more because they're both quite different in aesthetic. I want to start sending out these new ones in 2 orders, and the back is the same. But we still have quite a bit of these picnic penguin ones. What we're gonna do until the picnic penguin ones run out is that if you're a first-time buyer, you will receive this one, and then repeat customers will receive the new UFO penguin one. This was designed by Kim. It's pretty cute, I must say. The constellation behind the UFO is actually the Big Dipper, I believe. When Kim designed these, she's like, I see Helen in the middle driving, and I see Kim backseat driving, and I see Amy not wanting to be there between us driving. I made a mask, like a mask template. This is pretty even and balanced to my abilities at least. Now I want to start on the animals that do nothing. Oh no, there's a circle. Oval, but I didn't hold down shift, so shift hold. Yeah, there we go. Okay, oh yeah. Maybe a little too wide set, but I think wide set eyes are kind of cute in their own way. I did make the mask bigger, like I just drew it bigger, and therefore the point size is bigger than before. It used to be 10 pixels, now it's 25 pixels. If I want to reuse this eye shape and eye size for another animal or multiple animals, I'll just go to this one. Oh, Evie opened the door. Hang on. The dog is here. It's not, and she wants a lap. Oh. Aha. That's what those arrows are for. Can I select this entire line? Like in Photoshop, you can select a line and delete the pixels selected. Contiguous selection tool. Let's try that. I think I did it. Delete. Yes. Oh, right. There's that outline. Huh? Why are you not erasing? Oh, so I have a thing selected. What's the automatic? Control-Shift-A is to deselect. I don't know. I won't remember that. It looks kind of like a robot, but that's okay. A little freehand moment. I should know that ain't bad. That ain't bad. So, I like the left side more. Oh, you can see how shaky I am when I'm going to clean it up. For a second, I saw the triangle as like a little, like a mouth, like a, and the eyes and the mouth there. Anyway, I pulled up the panda, create a new layer, and try to hand draw it. That was just a rough outline. I don't like it. Yeah, that looks better. Now duplicate and mirror the eye portion, how it looks with the black. Cute. Alright, let's do the nose, and I think that will be it. Let's do the penguin real quick. It might be different than Kim's penguins though, because she's the one who draws most of the penguins. That's about a good spot. Okay, so beak done. The black frames the face. Kim draws it so it goes all the way touching the beak. I don't know if I want to do that though. Like this. She has something like this. let's just try to do what I doodled. Something like that. I think for an eye mask, no, I think it looks better with this kind, so let's try to clean this up. You draw too much, and then you erase too much, and then you draw too much, and then you erase too much. Maybe the eyes need to actually be a little bigger. Yeah! Yeah! Coming together. So, in total, we did the penguin, panda, and the mouse. The more I do editing and drawing, I'm gonna get faster at it. It's just kind of part of practicing, whether or not you're improving in the way you want to. You keep trying intentionally, I feel like you would just like get better little by little, and you'd still learn things.
Finally stopped snowing and the sun came out. The sky is blue. Hello, it is Thursday. And I didn't get a chance to film on Wednesday, but I have to film this outro or else Helen will kill me. Anyway, we both film an intro and outro now. It's a tip that we learned from the Sorry Girls, I think actually from their vlog channel, which is The Sorry Life, where they both film an intro and an outro, and then you just choose whichever one is better for the video. Anyway, I just wanted to say that I really enjoyed watching the last 3 vlogs with my sisters in them because I miss them and they're very far away. But I think it's actually something that like a lot of people who have moved far away from their friends and family will understand, which is that when you move away, even when you're close, you still keep in contact, but you lose a lot of the fun daily things that people experience, like a new restaurant they found, or like the new sauce that your dad is obsessed with about. Most of those things like you hear kind of like late, or like they're just not important enough to tell you, is I guess what they think. But you know, when watching the vlogs, you kind of get to see a little bit more of that. And plus, I get to see my dog more clearly. My sisters and I do have a weekly meeting. I don't think we're doing it this week, but we usually meet every week on a video call just to like talk about 3s apart and family and updates and stuff. But it's just not the same. So I hope you enjoy watching our vlogs and seeing a little bit of the behind the scenes. Next week, I'm pretty sure we're going over our 2021 planner setups, but you know, if you're a stationary like planner person, then you know that the setups you set up now, they're not permanent and they're probably going to change in like 2 months. I think I'm pretty good with keeping with at least one planner the entire year, but regardless, I still think it's going to be fun to see what Helen's going to use and I guess what I'm going to use. So tune in next time to see that.
Thank you for watching this vlog. I don't have Evie with me to say goodbye. She just left. Remember to eat some yummy snacks and have a good one. Goodbye. Goodbye. Where is the dog? Well, now I can actually eat my cheese spread.